All right, this is my pantry. As you can see, the food side is a complete mess. I decided yesterday to reorganize it after Ginny reorganized hers. I started last night, so this whole floor was completely covered with stuff, but I've already removed all of that. This is some of it that I've taken out and I have to put back in. These ones here, I actually already reorganized. They were just, I mean, they're still kind of crammed full of stuff, but I assure you it was a lot worse. So these are my crock pots. There's more crock pots there and dog treats. Apparently I have tons of Ziploc bags. My air fryer that I barely ever use, my rice cooker. So all that's all done and that's staying. And then this is just more plasticware that I use a lot. So today our focus is the 3 food shelves because it is all it's just jammed in there. I don't even know what I have. So hopefully when I'm done, all the food will be more organized so I know what I have and what I need to get. So I can be plenty stocked for, I don't know, whatever is going to come. So I'm not going to have as much storage as Ginny does, but I definitely feel like I need to have a little bit more than what I currently have. All right, so this is a before, and we will show in a little bit what it looks like after. And who knows if any of that stuff's expired. It could be. I don't even know what's in there. So it'll be interesting for sure. All right, the pantry reorganization is done. I didn't have to throw out as much as I thought I was going to. All right, so on the bottom, this is garbage, and then that's the recycle bin. Charlie, my Yorkie, has special dog food, and then the red treasure chest is water. So this top shelf here is just all, I guess what I would call baking supplies, plus apparently I have a lot of rice. So second shelf, I have seasonings and pasta, crackers, and then my husband makes the girls pancakes for breakfast every morning, so we have to have plenty of pancakes. I'm definitely lacking in my canned goods, so that's what this shelf is going to be. So I got a lot of room to get some canned goods. I'm completely out of corn. I had no idea I was out of corn. So yeah, so we got to do I got to get some canned goods. Over here in the corner is just different sauces, and then the bottom shelf there is my oils. We have a lot of peanut butter and jelly. I don't know why I have that much peanut butter and jelly, but I do. And then these top 2 is going to be the girls' snacks, like, you know, puddings and it's just quick things they can eat. And then down here is granola bars, and then they do eat ramen every now and then. So I think it looks a whole lot better than what it did. So I'll definitely see where I need to add. Okay. So I also had like the toilet paper and the paper towels in here. I moved that out. I did buy a shelving unit that I put in the spare bedroom. Our house does have 4 bedrooms, but we only use 3 of them because we have 2. I only have 2 daughters. So the 4th bedroom really, I guess, would be the guest bedroom, but it never gets used. So hold 1 minute and we will go there. So just bought a 4 shelf, and this is where I'm putting the paper products. All right, so the bottom, I got paper towels, Kleenex, and toilet paper. I do have more toilet paper in the basement, but this will be just where the girls can come and grab a roll. Yes, I have a lot of Clorox wipes. When the whole COVID thing started in April, before COVID, I always used Clorox wipes like every day. I wiped the kitchen counter down constantly, the kitchen table, I always used them. So when COVID started, there was a point I couldn't get them for a couple months. And so I did have enough to get through that, but there was a point that I was down to none. And so whenever I see them now, I just can't help it. I keep buying them just in case I can't get them again. So I do think I'll have to stop buying them for now. I think I'm good. Then we just got paper plates, and then the top is going to be tampons. We do have me and 2 daughters, and of course they all use different stuff. And there was a point that we couldn't get the one we prefer, so whenever I see it, I just like to grab it to make sure that doesn't happen again. All right. So that would be paper products. Like I said, I do have more toilet paper downstairs. I'm just not going to bring it up.